Hello everyone, we're Group 3. The motivation of our program is that if you ever notice English learners tend to use like, well, things like that to help them thinking. Apparently, it's nearly impossible for a person to never use crutch words. But if we use them too much, whatever we say might not sound very clear. Especially for English learners. The problem is that they might know only one or two crutch words. So when they speak and use them a lot, it can sound very repetitive. And what is crutch word? The crutch word helps speakers to think by procrastinating. Second, it can be served as stress to emphasize something. And in this way, English learners speak like native speakers. But excessive use of crutch words blunts the explicit delivery. And therefore, people would not expect to hear lots of crutch words during conversations. These are some examples for crutch words.
Our aim of the code is to find out the frequency of certain words, which is the crutch words. Firstly, I'll show you the subtitles. As you can see, we have counting lines and timelines of the subtitles, but we want to read the subtitles only. We don't want any numbers or punctuation marks being counted. Let's look at the code. At the beginning, we open the text and read it. Then set up a dictionary called frequency. Then we split the subtitles into string, which would look like this. 1 was the first line, and the timeline was the second line, and it goes on. Then, remove the spaces at the beginning and at the end of the string. The next is the if-else statement. The if digit over here is a method returns true if all the characters are digits, otherwise false. When this line is not empty and it's not a counting line or timeline, you standardize all the spaces, replace the punctuation mark with spaces. Then lower the case of all the characters and add them to the dictionary frequency. So for now, we have counted the frequency of every word, but we only want the frequency of certain words, so we input the words that we are going to look for, and set a dictionary called frequency crutch. Get returns a value for the given key. If the key is not available, means that this crutch word did not appear in the speech, then returns default value none. If the crutch words input are found to have frequency, then add it to the dictionary. So at the end, we can see the frequency of crutch words that Ellie said in the show.